Welcome back. In this video we are going to understand hyperlink. If you have gone through the videos of Excel, then all those options are going to be similar, but I'm going to repeat all the options for you. So let's say I have selected this particular text, and what I want, when I'm going to click on this particular text or this particular link, one particular website need to be open. So for this I am going to click on hyperlink, existing file of web page, or here you can mention in the address line, you can mention the website or web page to which you want to create a hyperlink. So I'm typing my website www.iterninstitute.com. click on OK. The moment I will click here, whatever is the default browser, which is let's say Chrome or Internet Explorer, with that help that particular website will be open. It will take a bit of time. So here you can see the internet connection is a bit slow, but that particular web page has opened. If you want to remove it, then simply right click and click on remove hyperlink. I'm not going to do this right now. I'm going for edit hyperlink. There are other options also that I need to explain. So another option is existing file. You can create a link to any of the existing file in this document. It's not necessary a document file it has to be. It can be any file. So I'm going for, let's say, an Excel file. So I've selected this chart preparation, click on OK, and the moment I'm going to click here, that particular Excel file will be open. So here you can see that particular Excel file has been opened, to which we have created a hyperlink. Okay, next option is place in this document. In the third or fourth videos probably you have seen the style patterns or the heading patterns which we have provided. So you can create a link to that headings also. What I want when a user is going to click on this India, then this particular heading, that is movie of India, or this particular heading movie of Bhutan, need to be open. So click on OK. The moment I'm going to click here, it will reach to that particular place. Similar thing can happen with the bookmark as well. Right click, I'm going for edit hyperlink, and you have seen in the bookmark video I've created a bookmark. So I'm going for this Harish, click on OK, and I have reached to that particular bookmarked place. Another option is create new document. You can create a new MS Word file every time when a user is clicking on this particular link. This is going to be the path. You can change the path by clicking over here. I'm not going to do this. And you can name the document. So I'm giving it my name, that is Himanshu, let's say. Click on OK, and that particular file has been opened. Every time when you are going to click over here with that name, a file is going to be open. Final option is a mail wizard. I want that whenever user is going to click here, an email option need to come with the help of your default mail client, which is Microsoft Outlook most of the time. To which mail ID you want to send a mail, that mail ID need to be mentioned here. And what's going to be the subject, that also you can mention. Click on OK, and if I'm going to click here, then mail wizard will open with the help of Microsoft Outlook. And here you can see, to subject is coming, by default mail ID is also coming, send option is coming. Whatever you want to type and you can send it. I'm not going to send this. So these are all the hyperlink option. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.